Hello everyone, in today's class we'll make this healthy drink together which fights cancer cells, anemia, heart disease and detoxify our immune system. If you'd like to see more of these videos often, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. You are highly welcome to Lily Roots Kitchen. This is Roots. So let's dive into today's tutorial. Our number one ingredient is garden egg leaf. Garden egg leaf is known for its anti-inflammatory properties which help to fight disease and to boost our immune system. Number two ingredient is beetroot. Beetroot is packed with a lot of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin B6, iron, which help to fight anemia and shortage of blood. And then three is carrots. Carrot contains carotenoid which help to fight disease as well. And then apple is filled with lots of health benefits. So we need a glass of water to blend all these healthy fruits together. I'm using a glass of water. So next, get your clean blender, add your chopped carrots, add your chopped beetroot, add your chopped apple. I'm using one apple. All the ingredients will be at the description button down below. Then add your garden egg leaf. Then add a cup of water. After that, put it to blend. Blend it very smooth. If you don't have a big blender, no problem. You could grind this step by step, one after another, but grind it very smooth so you could bring out the juice properly. Blend very smooth. Okay, blend it very smooth as you're seeing on the screen. Next, get a clean sieve and a clean bowl. Place the sieve on top of the bowl and begin to sieve your juice. Make sure everything leaves the chaff. Sieve until all the juice leaves the chaff. It is only the chaff that remains. Alright everyone, so if the water is not enough, add very little water to continue to sieve. Hello everyone, thank you all my subscribers. Thank you if you're coming, welcome back. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Please stay connected. More videos are uploaded every week on this very channel, so please stay connected, stay safe. Okay, so you sieve with a clean spoon. Use a clean spoon to sieve exactly what I'm doing on the screen. Then this is what you get. You see what the juice look like, a very healthy juice which help to fight anemia, health, cancer cells, heart disease, detoxifying your blood, your immune system, thereby cleansing your blood and giving you a glowing skin while staying healthy. Who would not want to take this drink? Please make yours and leave your comments, your feedback at the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Thanks for dropping by. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay connected always. See you in the next class. Thanks friends and bye for now. Alright, see you.